Today I'm going to show you how to create this cotton candy inspired halo eye. It's pink and blue and sparkly and I love it. Sorry my eyes are so red, I kind of fell asleep with my makeup on. Yeah, don't do that, people. After swallowing my regret and priming and setting the eyes, I'm first sweeping Poodle, a matte, vibrant, true pink into the crease and smoking it out towards the brow. This is our transition shade. I list every product in the description box. Next, I'm switching to a smaller, denser brush and packing Sandbar, a matte neon pink, into the outer and inner corners. Then, I'm lightly connecting everything right along the crease. Switching back to the big fluffy brush, blend the pinks together. Take your time slowly going back and forth between building up pigment and blending it out. Next, I'm covering the center of the lid with a white base. This step is optional, but will make the next shade much more pigmented. On top of that, I'm packing a metallic, bright, light blue. I find that using my finger gives me the most color payoff, but you can also use a wet brush. Now blend the pink and blue together with Opulent, a bright fuchsia with a blue sheen, to create a little bit of a gradient effect. Further blend the colors together with a clean brush. Anytime I do a lot of blending, I always add back in any intensity that may have been lost. And it can never hurt to blend some more. I felt that the blue wasn't popping quite enough, so here I'm adding some extra oomph with a little silver with multicolored micro glitter. Highlight the brow bone with Tickled, a soft opalescent pink with violet, pink, and blue glitter flip. Clean up any fallout, sharpen the outer corner, and apply your usual facial routine. Sweep the light pink all along the outer and inner corners of the lower lash line, lining up with the upper lid. Clean up any harsh edges with a clean brush. Apply the neon pink above that, just along the base of your lashes. Blend the pinks together. Fill in the empty space with the blue. Again, buff out any harsh edges. You may need to go back in and re-intensify the blue. Matching the upper lid, blend the pink and blue together with the bluish fuchsia. And like before, add that pop of silver over the blue. Brighten the waterline with a white eyeliner. Highlight the inner corner with the same glittery pink used on the brow bone. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done! Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching!